16-year-old child who is not just good in her dancing, not just good in being the topper of the college today, not just good in conducting public speaking session for 10 years to 16-year-old students. And she has been a role model for her college, an asset being called out by the principal and everyone who knows her around. None other than Ananya Amit Joy going for it.
Happy evening, everyone. Beautiful to be here. I've come on this platform before to share about this beautiful product, and it just keeps giving more and more. So I have to come here again and tell you about this magical incident that happened last week. So, just like all of you, I also started using this product just because my mom was forcing me, and obviously started off with the mindset that what would this plastic dabba do? Like, what kind of potential does this have? And I just started using it, and it transformed my life in terms of studies. And I have given a testimony on the studies part of it and how it has changed my life and brought my percentage from literally 50 to 92 in 10th standard. That is another testimony, so you can go check that out. I don't want to emphasize on that, but something happened last week that blew my mind off. So I've had a skin disease called eczema from the child. I've like ever since I was a child, it has been on my skin, my hands, my face, everywhere. And it's like asthma, so it's something that cannot get cured completely. It just keeps fluctuating from time to time, and mine is depending on climate. So every time the humidity shoots up, my skin swells up, it burns. There is like rashes everywhere, and it's a very miserable condition I am in. And last week we went to Kerala, and usually every time I go to my native Kerala has like humidity a lot. So that is the time I get like is like it gets all rashy and everything. And only when I come back to Bangalore, it gets cured. The climate does not suit me. And when I say hundreds, we have gone to hundreds of doctors to get treatment for this eczema disease of mine, applying creams, ointments. Ever since I was a child, we have been going to many dermatologists, and they have not given any cure for this. And as my mom is always into like Ayurvedic stuff and all, she does not give me any tablets. She does not entertain it also at home. Not even a Dolo tablet she lets me have when I have fever or anything. So with that, we never really tried any allopathic medicine after that. Last week we went to Kerala, and I again got the usual eczema. My face was swelled up, my eyes were swollen, there was bleeding, itching, rashing, everything. And the second I woke up and I felt that, I told my mother to give me Healy. Usually she is the one who tells me use Healy. But this time suddenly I don't know what thought I got. I was like, chalo Healy chala dete. And I did not do anything. I was like, Tika, I believe this is going to go. Let me just put Healy. And somewhere I remember that she told me to use Pure Program. Pure Program is good for skin. So I ran Pure Program, and within an hour, I am not exaggerating, my skin felt so much better. I felt so much relief. The itchiness went, everything went. After Pure Program, I ran Skin Harmony. Two programs I ran, and it completely went. In my lifetime, for 16 years, I've had eczema. Not once has it gone until I land back to Bangalore. And this time, within 2 hours, just in Kerala, my skin cleared up, and I couldn't believe it. Like the studies example like of Healy is still like okay, maybe mehnat kiya hoga to aa gaya marks, but this is just mind blowing. Like my eczema went away and I couldn't believe it. And in the evening I went to the swimming pool, so the chlorine thoda aur itchy ho gaya. I ran two more programs and by night it was cleared. It was cleared. My grandmother was shocked. My all my family was shocked because my full khandan knows that every time I come to Kerala this happens, and it blew my mind. So this product truly holds some magic. I don't know what the science is behind this or what it is, but whoever has created this, Marcus sir, is truly a hero because this has changed my life. And skin is something everybody's so insecure about. This has got my confidence back, and I am so happy to share about this. So everybody who's not got your hands on it or who's not using it religiously, please go. You're missing out on so much. Thank you so much, Mama, for giving me this product, and I'm very grateful to be here, honestly. Thank you so much. All of you have a great day. Love you. Bye bye.